Are you a retail business owner struggling to boost foot traffic and increase sales? As retail businesses, we're all too familiar with these challenges: the dwindling foot traffic, the low sales, the stark rise in competition. It can feel like a constant uphill battle. But remember, even the most successful businesses have faced these very struggles. The key lies in adapting, evolving, and innovating. Well, you're not alone, and there are ways to turn things around. Let's explore some strategies to breathe new life into your retail business. Firstly, enhancing your online presence is crucial in today's digital age. Consider the internet as a vast marketplace where potential customers are just a click away. A user-friendly website with e-commerce capabilities can extend your reach beyond your physical location, allowing you to tap into a larger customer base. It's like having your store open 24/7, without the need for additional staff or extended operating hours. But a website is just the beginning. Social media platforms are the new word of mouth. They offer an avenue to engage with your audience, showcase your products, and promote special offers. It's not just about broadcasting your sales pitch. It's about creating conversations and building relationships with customers. It's about showing the human side of your business, sharing your story, and making your customers feel like they're part of your journey. Remember, your online presence can be your most powerful marketing tool. Secondly, enticing promotions, discounts, and loyalty programs can be game changers. Who doesn't love a deal? Offering special promotions or discounts can attract a crowd of bargain hunters. Limited time offers create a sense of urgency, prompting customers to act swiftly or risk missing out. Consider bundle deals, where customers can buy multiple products together at a lower price. This strategy not only increases sales, but also helps move slower selling items. Then, there's the power of loyalty programs. Rewarding regular customers with exclusive discounts or perks encourages repeat purchases and fosters a sense of belonging. Remember, it's often easier to keep a customer than to find a new one. Flash sales, early bird specials, buy one, get one free, or even a simple end-of-season sale. The possibilities are endless. The key is to make your customers feel they're getting value for their money. Promotions and discounts can give you a competitive edge and drive sales. Thirdly, organizing in-store events and workshops can create a buzz around your store. These activities can be a game changer for your retail business. Why, you ask? Well, they not only attract potential customers, but also add a sense of community and engagement to the shopping experience. Consider hosting product demonstrations, workshops, or even events in collaboration with local artists, influencers, or experts in your industry. This not only adds value to your customer's visit, but also draws in new audiences who may have not considered your store before. Think about it. If you're selling kitchenware, a live cooking demonstration can be a great way to showcase your products. If you're a bookstore, author readings or book clubs can bring in book lovers. The possibilities are endless. In-store events not only bring foot traffic, but also enhance your brand's image. They show that you're more than just a retailer, you're a part of the local community. And that's something customers value. Fourthly, improving your store's visual appeal and focusing on customer experience are key. Visual merchandising is like the silent salesperson that works round the clock, even when your store is closed. It's all about presenting your products in a way that maximizes their appeal and entices customers to make a purchase. Think of your store as a stage and your products as actors. From the entrance to the checkout counter, every area matters. Start by creating eye-catching window displays. These serve as your store's billboard, grabbing the attention of passers-by and inviting them in. Inside the store, optimize your product displays. Showcase your best-selling items prominently and arrange products in a way that guides customers through your store. But visual merchandising doesn't stop at product displays. Signage plays a crucial role too. Clear, attractive signs can help customers navigate your store easily, find what they're looking for, and discover new products. And let's not forget about store layout. A well-planned layout can enhance the shopping experience, encouraging customers to explore and spend more time in your store. Now, while a visually appealing store can draw customers in, it's the customer experience that keeps them coming back. Exceptional customer service is the cornerstone of any successful retail business. It's all about going the extra mile to make your customers feel valued and appreciated. Train your staff to be knowledgeable about your products and attentive to customers' needs. They should be able to provide personalized recommendations and handle customer queries efficiently. Remember, every interaction with a customer is an opportunity to leave a lasting impression and build loyalty. Also, consider offering additional services that enhance the shopping experience. This could be anything from free gift wrapping to home delivery. The aim is to exceed customer expectations and make shopping at your store a delightful experience. In conclusion, a visually appealing store attracts customers, but it's the exceptional customer service that turns them into loyal patrons. Remember, a visually appealing store and great customer service can make your store a preferred shopping destination. Fifthly, offering click and collect services and partnering with local businesses can expand your reach. In the age of convenience, providing customers with multiple shopping options is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. This is where click and collect services come into play. Also known as buy online, pickup in store, this service allows customers to do their shopping online from the comfort of their homes and then pick up their purchases in store at their convenience. It's a win-win. Customers enjoy the convenience of online shopping and the immediacy of in-store pickup, while retailers get the opportunity to increase foot traffic and potentially upsell when customers come to collect their orders. But what if you could take it a step further? What if, when customers came to pick up their orders, they could also pick up a fresh loaf of bread from a local bakery or a bouquet of flowers from a local florist? That's the potential of partnering with local businesses. When you partner with other businesses in your community, you can cross-promote each other's products or services, creating a broader, more diverse shopping experience for customers. This not only increases your reach within the community, but also strengthens local business networks. Consider joint marketing efforts, co-hosted events, or shared promotions. A bookstore could collaborate with a coffee shop for a book signing event. A clothing store could partner with a jewelry shop for a fashion show. The possibilities are endless and the benefits mutual. But remember, the key to successful partnerships is to choose businesses that complement yours. You want to enhance your customers' experience, not confuse them. So, think about what businesses your customers might also enjoy and reach out to them. As we've discussed, offering click and collect services and partnering with local businesses can significantly improve your retail business. These strategies not only cater to customer preferences, but also expand your reach within the community, bringing in more potential customers and fostering a sense of community. These strategies can help you cater to customer preferences and expand your reach within the community. Sixthly, optimizing your product mix and collecting customer feedback can help you tailor your offerings. It's crucial to keep a keen eye on your product assortment. Identify your top-selling items and the slow movers, adjusting your product mix to focus on high-demand items and strategically clearing out stagnant inventory can significantly enhance your retail performance. Now let's talk about customer feedback. It's a treasure trove of insights waiting to be tapped into. By actively seeking and valuing your customers' opinions, you can gain a deeper understanding of their preferences and shopping habits. What's more, feedback can highlight areas of improvement, helping you to continually refine your customer experience and offerings. Remember, the goal is to exceed expectations, and who better to guide you than your customers themselves? By optimizing your product mix and prioritizing customer feedback, you can ensure that your retail business is always in tune with your customers' needs and desires. These insights can help you focus on high-demand products and improve customer satisfaction. Lastly, adopting an omnichannel approach to retailing can provide a cohesive and convenient shopping experience. In the world of retail, the line between online and offline is becoming increasingly blurred. It's not about online versus in-store anymore, but rather how these two can seamlessly blend together. This is where omnichannel retailing comes into play. Imagine a customer browsing your products online, adding items to their cart, and then deciding they would like to see the product in person before making a purchase. With an integrated omni-channel strategy, that customer can easily transition from your online store to your physical location. Or perhaps a shopper wants to make a purchase online but pick up the item in store. That should be a breeze too. The beauty of omnichannel retailing is that it meets customers where they are, whether that's online, in-store, or somewhere in between. It's about providing a consistent and convenient shopping journey across all touch points. An omnichannel approach can help you meet customers where they are and boost sales. By implementing these recommendations, you can revitalize your retail business, enhancing your online presence, offering irresistible deals, hosting events, improving visual merchandising, focusing on customer experience, implementing click and collect services, partnering with local businesses, optimizing your product mix, collecting customer feedback, and embracing omnichannel retailing can all contribute to boosting foot traffic and increasing sales. To learn more and get personalized advice, schedule a free 30-minute consultation at www.melbournebusinessadvisors.com. Consult. We're here to help you boost your retail business.